Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, Jamaica has recorded another double-digit jump in COVID-19 cases. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the revelation moments ago at a Jamaica House press briefing.
We have 83 new cases, which brings our total to 1,612 cases. We have 53 persons hospitalized, including 45 positive cases. We have 45 persons isolated in government facilities, 604 isolated at home, 15 in quarantine in government facilities, and we have 29,724 persons quarantined at home.
And in light of the spike, the island-wide curfew will now begin at 9 p.m. instead of 11 p.m., effective Thursday, August 27.
I'm asking everyone to understand that as of Thursday, if you live in the parishes other than St. Thomas, Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, and Clarendon, the curfew starts at 9 p.m. and will end the following morning at 5 a.m., and this will continue daily until September 30th, 2020. So for clarity, the 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. curfew remains in effect for the parishes of St. Thomas, Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, and Clarendon until the 2nd of September 2020. Thereafter, and until September 30th, 2020, the curfew in these parishes will be from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m., consistent with the other parishes in Jamaica.
Now, earlier in our midday newscast, we told you that double sprint world record holder Usain Bolt said he was still awaiting official confirmation from the Ministry of Health that he has tested positive for COVID-19. In a video response to TVJ Sports, Bolt said he did the test on Saturday in preparation for a business trip, and he's not showing any symptoms. The Prime Minister addressed the issue in the context of pictures being circulated with persons attending parties.
There are a number of pictures and videos that have been circulating of parties with no mask wearing, no social distancing, etc. Today, social media has been avidly discussing the positive result of our beloved Usain Bolt. There are also reports of an activity relating to Usain Bolt. Now, these matters are all being thoroughly investigated, and the police will give a report on these matters in the near future.